Hear that? Greater means bigger. So, Cadence. Which number is bigger? 20 or 7? This question's for Cadence on the screen. 20. Can you guys in the classroom show me with a thumb up or down if you agree? Thumb up means yes, I agree that 20 is greater than 7. Thumbs down means nope. Awesome, you guys are all right. Okay, I want you guys to start on number 1 with me, just like you see on the screen. And we're going to count up to 20, and then once we hit 20, we're going to count backwards. Are you ready? So look on my screen up here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I'm going to wait for Adrian to come back to his seat. And then, Adrian, we're going to start on 20, and we're going to count backwards all the way until 1. Do you guys know what number is before 1? Can you hold it up with your hands? What number is before 1? Show me with your hand what number it is. The one that comes right here. Look where my hand is on the screen. What number is right here? I'm also looking at home to see if Paige, Cadence, or Eli O know the answer. It's the one right before. Nicholas. 0. Good job. Okay, boys and girls, everyone point at 20. We're going to count backwards all the way to 0. Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Awesome job. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to play a game on here, and I want to see who can get the most points, okay? Who can get the greatest number of points. So you should be looking on the screen. I'm going to put Miss Prince here, and then whoever guesses, they're going to get some points coming down here. So on the game, you're going to have a number of critters. Do you see that? There's either going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way to 20. There's going to be that many critters in the bucket. Do you guys remember this last week?
Oh, yeah.
So with me, you practiced to 10. But now that you guys have your number line to 20, we're going to practice to 20. So I'm going to put just some critters in here. I'm not going to show you how many. And I'm going to count them really quick and make sure that I know the number. Then I'm going to call on students to guess. If you guess too high, I'm going to say my number is less. If you guess too low, I'm going to say my number is greater. Nice job. Okay, so let me count and make sure I know. Okay, I know how many are in here. It's one of these numbers. So I'm going to look on the screen. Eli, Cadence, and Paige, this is where you're going to use your raise your hand button to guess a number. All right, I see Paige raised her hand. Paige, can I have you unmute, please? What number are you guessing? Okay, Paige, I'm going to come back to you. I'm going to call in a first grader in the classroom. Who thinks they know what number I have? Landon, what number do you think I have? Choose one of these.
I think you have 9.
9. Ooh, okay. So this is the number that Landon guessed. He guessed a 9. Landon, my number of critters is greater than 9. So that means that if it's bigger, nice job. So it's not going to be any of these back here. It's going to be one of these. So, very nice guess. Eli O, can I have you unmute? And you may show your screen. Remember, it's bigger than 9. So boys and girls, while you're waiting for her to choose, I want you to look at your number line. Look at all the numbers bigger than 9. Those are the numbers you can guess from. So I would usually have you use your whiteboards, but since you didn't bring your whiteboards, make sure you bring them on Wednesday. 10. Cadence guessed 10. Okay, Cadence. We're going to count these. Are you ready? Boys and girls, you may look on the screen and count with me, okay? Here we go. Ready? 1. At home, you may count with me. We're at 3. 5. Ooh, this one's cool. 7. Cadence, you got it right. The secret number was 10. So I'm going to put Cadence right here. And I'm going to give her a point. These are called tally marks. Can you guys say that? Tally marks. These are what we're going to be learning later this week. We are going to be learning about tally marks. Nice job. Okay, this next one I'm going to have a student in the classroom guess. Is it best to 10?
No, it's the beta 10. It's the beta or more.
Oh, greater? It was equal. It wasn't greater or less. If it's equal, that means she got it right on the spot. It was exactly my right number.
Yeah, I thought why is it beta 10? Is it a beta number or is it 10 or?
Okay. You guys will have to do the guessing. So, I'm calling on a student in the classroom this time, somebody that's raising their hand. Who would like to guess how many critters I have? Paulina.
Yeah.
Do you want to guess? No? Okay. Deleza, do you want to guess? Okay. What do you think my secret number is? Look at your number line to give you some ideas. So you can choose any of these numbers. Ooh, she picked 11. Okay. She picked number 11. Right here. So, I'll move it just a little bit. There we go. She picked 11. Deleza. My secret number is greater than 11. So, boys and girls, at home too, look here. It has to be a number bigger than 11, so it can't be any of these. So your next guess, boys and girls, has to be 12 or bigger. Okay, I'm looking on the screen. Paige, can I have you unmute, please? Upon somebody in the classroom who would like to guess something that's greater than 11. Mason. 12. Mason guessed 12. And my answer for Mason is, my secret number is greater than 12. So that means I have to cover the 12 now when I guess. So on your chart, cover all of the numbers that are 12 or smaller. So now you have to choose one of these numbers. I'm looking to see who's raising their hand. Cruz. 20. Cruz thinks it's 20. Cruz, my secret number is less. Less than 20. So now watch what I do. I'm going to take these sticky notes. It's not 20. It's less than 20. And it's greater than 12. So it has to be between these sticky notes. So take a look. I want you to re-guess. Cadence, do you have your whiteboard with you at home? If you do, Cadence, I'm going to have you write your guess of your secret number on here. Since you're the only one at home that can respond, I want you to write your secret number on your whiteboard, and then I want to see if it matches what the students think in here. So, if you have not had a chance to guess our secret number, go ahead and raise your hand. Angela, have you had a turn? No? What do you think it is? So I see a 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, or 19. Remember, it has to be less than 20, but greater than 12. It's right in this range right here. I'll pull it up a little bit closer so you guys can see. There you go. So it has to be one of these numbers, Angela. You want to choose one of those? How about you just point to one and I'll help you, okay? 15. Angela guessed 15. I'm going to show you where that is, okay? Point to 15 on your chart. 15. Ooh, okay, boys and girls. My secret number is less than 15. So that means all of these are gone. So, how many choices do we have left? How many choices do we have left? 2 choices left. Cadence, before I call on someone in the classroom, can you write down one of these numbers? Because my secret number is one of these. Yes. You haven't had a turn, Adrian? Okay, so I'm going to call on you after I see Cadence's number. Okay, do you guys see? Oh, let me, Cadence, leave your number pulled up to the screen right there for just a second. Look. Do you guys see her number? She has 13. Adrian, what do you think it is? 13 or 14? 14. I want to hear from the rest of you. If you think, oh, by your hand, please. By your hand. If you think it's 14, raise your hand. If you think it's 13, raise your hand. You can only choose one. So 13 or 14. Oh, I hear lots of 14s. Okay. You guys are going to count with me. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, not yet. Ooh, that was a cool one. Ooh. This one scares me. My favorite animal. A whale. 13. So if you guessed 13, you got it right. You got the secret number. So Cadence, you actually got another one right. Awesome. Who else thought it was 13?
I thought it was 13.
Awesome.
It was 14.
Well, you know what, boys and girls? I'm just going to make sure that all of you at home and in the classroom get the prize for the secret numbers, because this was a teamwork kind of thing. So I think you all deserve the prize. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So if you're at home, your exit ticket, or what we're going to do before we say goodbye, is you are going to show me on your number line where the number 14 is. So I'm going to come around in the classroom and look. You need to point to the number 14 on your chart. And if you're at home, I want you to circle it on your paper, or you can write it on your whiteboard. So Paige and Eli need to